ChatGPT versus Gemini, the ultimate AI productivity battle in 2025. But which one is actually better for real productivity? These are not just tools, they are ecosystems. They are digital coworkers. They are the engines powering the productivity revolution. But here's the real question. Which one is actually better? Not better in marketing, not better in hype, but better for real-world results. Writing, learning, business tasks, coding, and everyday productivity. To answer this, I worked 40 hours with both of them in a direct head-to-head comparison across 5 critical areas: writing quality, research and knowledge, coding and debugging, speed and interface, and business productivity. At the end, you will know exactly which AI is right for your workflow, your goals, and your industry. Let's find out. Test number 1, writing quality. If there is one area where both shine, it is writing. But the difference in style is huge, and for many users, this difference is a deal breaker. ChatGPT. Still the king of writing in 2025, ChatGPT has built a massive reputation because of one simple truth. Its writing feels human. Whether you are creating a YouTube script, an article, a story, an email, a business plan, or a personal message, ChatGPT brings a natural flow that other models struggle to match. Its strengths include smooth transitions, clear structure, strong storytelling, emotional intelligence, logical sequencing, adaptable tone, formal, casual, persuasive, humorous, etc. It is not just writing, it is communication. ChatGPT's biggest advantage is how easy it can take a vague idea and turn it into a polished final draft that requires almost no rewriting. Gemini, faster, but less personal. Gemini writes fast, incredibly fast, and often produces solid and highly factual content. But its tone is sometimes too direct, slightly robotic, more Google-like, less emotional, and less narrative-driven. Its writing is excellent for summaries, factual explanations, and quick answers, but it can feel generic when you need personality. For creators, marketers, and professionals who need writing that sounds like a human, ChatGPT still wins. On writing quality, the winner is ChatGPT. Test number 2, research and knowledge. If writing is ChatGPT's battlefield, research is where Gemini hits back hard, and this time it hits with strength. Gemini, the real-time information powerhouse. Gemini's biggest superpower in 2025 is its built-in internet access. This changes everything. Gemini can search the real-time web, pull current data instantly, cross-check information live, retrieve factual updates, provide citations, and complete research tasks in seconds. This makes it ideal for market analysis, trend research, financial data, technology updates, fact-checking, timely news, and real-time analytics. For anyone whose work depends on accuracy and fresh information, Gemini is almost impossible to beat. ChatGPT, strong, but dependent on browsing tools. ChatGPT performs well when analyzing or summarizing information, but when the task requires up-to-the-minute facts, it relies on external search tools. This means more steps, slightly slower workflows, and occasional missing details. It is excellent at deep reasoning, understanding context, and synthesizing knowledge. But Gemini wins in pure research speed and freshness. On research and knowledge, the winner is Gemini. Test number 3, coding and debugging. Coding is one of the most in-demand AI use cases in the world, and here, the difference between the two models becomes crystal clear. ChatGPT, extremely strong for developers. It has become the go-to assistant for developers because of how deeply it understands code logic. ChatGPT excels in explaining code and algorithms, debugging complex errors, fixing broken functions, writing full applications, teaching programming, refactoring code, and building entire modules step by step. Its ability to reason through long code bases and provide highly contextual solutions makes it feel like a senior developer sitting next to you. For large multi-step programming tasks, ChatGPT remains unmatched. Gemini, fast, but not as deep. Gemini is good with simple scripts, quick automation, short functions, and basic debugging. But it struggles more often with long code reasoning, context-heavy errors, multi-layered logic, and teaching complex concepts. Gemini is excellent for fast, straightforward code assistance. But developers needing advanced logic analysis still prefer ChatGPT. On coding and debugging, the winner is ChatGPT. Test number 4, speed and interface. This is where Gemini strikes again. Gemini, the fastest mainstream AI in 2025. Its model architecture is optimized for quick responses, instant summaries, minimal latency, and seamless interface integration. If you need rapid answers, Gemini wins the race almost every time. ChatGPT, slower but richer. ChatGPT tends to think deeper and generate more nuanced content. That is why its responses take slightly longer, but the output is often richer, more detailed, and more polished. For users who value speed over depth, Gemini is the better experience. On speed and interface, the winner is Gemini. Test number 5, business productivity. Here is where things get interesting, and where the winner really depends on your workflow. Both shine, but in totally different ways. ChatGPT is better for long professional writing. It dominates tasks like emails, reports, business proposals, sales pages, long content, editing and rewriting, strategic planning, SOPs and workflow documents, presentations, and client communication. If your business depends on communication, persuasion, clarity, or written strategy, ChatGPT is the top choice. Gemini is better for fast, real-time business tasks it excels in. Quick summaries, market research, brainstorming, data checking, fact verification, rapid idea generation, competitor research, real-time updates, and productivity shortcuts. Gemini is perfect for business owners who want to move fast, scan large information quickly, make data-backed decisions, get instant insights. The winner depends on your workflow. If your business is writing-heavy, choose ChatGPT. If your business is data-heavy, choose Gemini. Final verdict. Which AI should you use in 2025? Both are extraordinary, but they serve different types of users. Choose ChatGPT if you want creativity, human-like, writing, long content, business communication, deep reasoning, coding support, structured workflows, and polished deliverables. ChatGPT is a creator's dream and a business professional's secret weapon. Choose Gemini if you want speed, real-time, internet access, summaries, research, fact-checking, quick answers, instant problem-solving, and high productivity in short bursts. Gemini is a researcher's engine and a FOSS-based decision-maker's tool. The truth, the smartest professionals use both. In 2025, the most productive creators, CEOs, students, developers, and entrepreneurs do not choose one AI. They build a workflow that uses both. ChatGPT for deep thinking, writing, coding, planning, communication, and high-quality output. Gemini for fast research, real-time data, quick summaries, brainstorming, and instant answers. Because the power does not come from choosing the best model, but the real power comes from choosing the best model for each task. And when you combine them, you get the most powerful productivity stack available in 2025. If you want to cut through the AI hype and see what actually works, subscribe and hit the like button. I am testing new tools every week. Drop a comment and tell me, which AI are you currently using? And what's your biggest productivity challenge right now? I will see you in the next one.